done a lot of videos. We haven't done one over hail damage yet. And here recently around Dallas, we're going to get a lot more storms, and we're getting a lot more calls for the vehicles that have hail damage like this F-150. So what Trey's doing, he's going around, he's got the light on the hood. He's going to circle each one of these dents, figure out the size of each one of those dents, put it into a hail matrix, give it to one of our estimators, they'll submit that up to the insurance company, get that approved, and we'll get going on this. Here in just a second, you'll see Trey pushing the dents. This particular F-150 is going to be completely paintless dent repairable, meaning that we won't have to replace any of the panels for paint and body work or anything like that. So stay tuned. Here in just a second, with some videos of more damage on the truck. So Trey got all the dents taken out of this F-150. There was roughly 400 dents on here that we were able to remove with paintless dent repair. So we didn't have to do any kind of replacement on any of the parts. We didn't have to do any kind of painting. This job was turned around in 2 days. So as you guys know, we're coming into hail season. So do your homework whenever you're going to find a shop for your hail damage repairs. Get on Google, look at the reviews, even with us. If they got a YouTube channel like we do, check it out, see some of the videos, Facebook, Instagram, anything like that. So we greatly appreciate you guys checking us out, always following, liking, and subscribing, and stay tuned for the next one.